Imagine a world where a simple cut or a mild infection can be a death sentence. That's the reality we are accelerating toward. The antibiotics we've relied on for a century are failing. We are entering the post-antibiotic era, and we desperately need a new weapon. The problem is clear: antibiotic resistance. Bacteria are evolving faster than we can invent new drugs. These new superbugs are immune to our best medicines. Every year, millions of infections worldwide are becoming untreatable. If we don't find an alternative, this crisis will eclipse global pandemics in terms of human cost. It's a ticking biological time bomb. Enter the bacteriophage. Phages aren't new, they're viruses. But before you panic, these are the good guys. A bacteriophage is a bacteria eater, a natural predator. Phage therapy is the use of these viruses to specifically target and destroy pathogenic bacteria. The phage lands on the bacteria, injects its genetic material, and hijacks the bacteria's machinery, forcing it to produce more phages. Then, the bacteria cell bursts, releasing hundreds of new phages to find more targets. Unlike broad-spectrum antibiotics, phages are incredibly precise. They are like a specialized key that only fits one type of bacterial lock, leaving beneficial bacteria untouched. This technology isn't science fiction. It's a century-old medical tool. Phage therapy has been successfully used for decades, particularly in Eastern Europe, including countries like Georgia and Poland, where it is often the first line of defense against stubborn infections. Patients, desperate and out of options, travel there for treatment and often see life-saving results. So why isn't this available everywhere? The controversy boils down to regulatory roadblocks. Western drug approval processes, like the FDA, are designed for static chemical compounds, a pill made of known molecules. But a phage is a living, evolving organism. It's a complex biological process, not a simple drug. Western medicine requires large-scale, standardized clinical trials, which are incredibly difficult and expensive to run for a treatment that constantly evolves. They need to approve a single, stable medicine, not a constantly adapting virus cocktail. This strict but necessary approach, while ensuring safety, is currently crippling the potential of phage therapy. The future of fighting superbugs likely rests not on a new pill, but on a tiny, natural killer. Phage therapy is potent, precise, and desperately needed. As antibiotic resistance worsens, the pressure on regulators to adapt their standards for this groundbreaking, century-old solution will only grow. Let me know what you think. Is phage therapy the future? Drop a comment below. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more deep dives into science and medicine.